Alright, so it is finally time to shampoo my hair. I am just going to show you the shampoos that I'm currently using. A good amount of these shampoos I will no longer be purchasing. Not because there's anything wrong with it, but because I don't necessarily see the point. I'm good with the others that I currently have. I used to be a product junkie, so I have a lot more products that I don't necessarily need. For this hair wash day, so this is my second Sunday of the month, which day I wash my hair twice, second Sunday of the month and the last Sunday of the month. For this wash day, I will always start my wash day with head and shoulders. I'll always start with this. I know people like to use it second or third in their wash day routine. I use it first. It works for me. It has worked for me, and that's what I like. I start with this. For both my scalp and the strands of my hair, I use this. After that, for this hair wash routine, I will go in with this Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. I go in with this, but this is kind of like a clarifying shampoo type. But again, this is no longer needed in my routine. I just have it, so I'm using it to get rid of it. But not to get rid of it, but using it to finish it. So yeah, this is what I will be going in with next. And after, I will go in with my Nizoral to treat my seborrheic dermatitis. This one. Finally, this will be my last shampoo. Yes, I do use 3 different shampoos. The Nizoral is for my scalp only. I only use Nizoral for my scalp. But after I'm done with Nizoral for my scalp, I go in with this. Camilla Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing and Rinse. I go in with this. That's for my second Sunday of the month wash routine. That's what I do. These two would be leaving my routine because I don't need them, but I have them, so I have to finish or use them somehow. So these are the two that will be leaving my routine. But for my last Sunday of the month routine, which I will show that later, but I just wanted to share that here. For my last wash day of the month routine, I go in with Head and Shoulders again. But this time around, I go in with Secret. I either go in with the Secret Clarifying Shampoo Scalp Scrub. I either go in with this one, or I go in with this one, the Detoxifying Shampoo. That's because these are both chelating shampoos to get rid of hard water residue. I use it once a month. If I use this month, I'll use this the next month, and then I'll use this the following month for these two. Basically. And I'm not really going to purchase these anymore. I have it. It's almost full. I have it, so I'm gonna finish it. I had a sale on Black Friday, so I purchased both, but it's okay. I found others that are cheaper and as great as it, so that's the reason why these will be leaving my routine. So I'm currently using it, but it's no longer going to be my routine after I am done using these bottles. So after I am done with that, I go in with Nizoral again, and then I finish off with Set Hydrating Shampoo. None of these are sponsored. These are just products that I personally use, but these are the 3 products that will be remaining in my hair routine. These 3. I will get 2 more shampoos. I will get another moisturizing shampoo. Currently, I'm thinking about the Shea Moisture's coconut water shampoo or coconut shampoo, and I think it was Malibu Iron Powder Water shampoo. Those are the 2 that I will be adding to my routine, and those will be the final staple, unless I find out something bad about it or I find out something better. But for today, it is going to be this first, then this, my Nizoral for my scalp only, and my Camilla Rose Sweet Ginger Rinse. These are the 2 that I'll be using to shampoo my hair today. And I use a lot of shampoos again because I have it, and I'm trying to get rid of it. Now, I will move on to the washing part. I will take off my rubber. This is what my hair is looking like after 30 minutes. Now go into washing.